box. Say hello first. I'm recording. Say hello. Hello in Philippines. Hello in Cambodia. Okay. Hello in Indonesia. Hello. Okay.
juara, satu sudah maju, 6 orang lagi boleh maju ke depan. It's gonna be a fun game, of course, right? It's gonna be a fun game. Ayo, baru satu, ayo mas, silakan mas. Ayo mas, satu, silakan maju dulu. Ayo 6 orang lagi, ayo mbak, silakan yuk, maju. Come on. Lagi, ayo, ajak temannya juga. Come on. Ayo, ayo, boleh. Ayo. Alright. How many we have already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. Male audience? Okay, great. So, you're going to take them to Philippines?
Okay. So, we would like you guys to line here. Maybe you can choose your position and anything. So, just make a line. So, here, okay. So, first, before we start, so what is your name?
Ini zoomnya yang ini ya?
So, you're from? And you?
Ya gue
You're from Jakarta as well. So, you guys from Jakarta. Hi. Tangana. And your name? Zayla. Wow, Zayla. Nice meeting you, Zayla. Ami. Ami. You're a Muslim. Do you have an English name? What? Yeah. You're from? Sangla. Sangla. Is that far from Jakarta? I'm sorry, it's my first time in Jakarta, guys. So, you're from? Borneo. Oh, you're from Borneo. Oh, you live in here. So, what's your name? Ali. Ali.
We have here the boys. Sir, what's your name?
Fadli.
You're from? How about you? Edwin. Bandung. Bandung. Oh, I have many friends in Bandung. Hooray for Bandung! No one's here from Bandung. Okay. Why also you can now explain the mechanics of the game.
So here are the mechanics. So our game is called Hep Hep Hooray. So I'm going to start with Hep Hep, then I'm going to pass the mic. For example, then if I pass the mic, she's going to say Hooray with this one. Hooray. So this one, I'm going to start Hep Hep Hooray like that one. Then I'm going to pass from. No, if I'm going to pass from Hooray, you're going to say Hep Hep. Okay, so let's try. First, we're going to show you this one. We're going to give you an example. Okay, from this one, just a fast example, guys. Hep hep, hooray! Hep hep, hooray! Okay, now she's out. Okay, let's start it. Hep hep, hooray! Hooray! Oh, you're out. I'm sorry. You're out of the game. Oh, but let's just use that as practice. We like. Okay, let's do it again. Hep hep, hooray! Oh, you're wrong. Hey, no, this is right. This one is right, right? Oh, that's
Energy.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's energy. Hep hep. Hooray!
Alright, maybe we need cheer from you. Beri tepuk tangan dulu yang meriah supaya semangat nih pesertanya. Okay, maybe you can make some space, agak jaga jarak sedikit. Make some space, alright. That group practice. How if you want to do? If you want to do the hep hep.
Hep hep, this one.
Hep hep. Alright. Semua bertanya hep hep. Alright. No, hep hep. Okay. Now, hooray!
Hooray!
Okay. Now everybody got the rule. Semua diperhatikan pemainnya ya. Okay. Now it's in your head.
Okay. Hep hep, hooray! Hep hep. I'm sorry, you're out.
Too bad. Thank you very much for your participation. Over there.
Thank you very much.
So, hep hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hooray. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Alright. Boleh ke samping.
Look in the middle, guys.
Okay, now we have 5 persons on stage.
So, hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray.
Hep hep.
Sorry, this one is hep hep.
Okay.
Let's do it again. Hep hep. Hooray. Hooray. Hep hep.
Sorry, thank you.
Alright.
That's
We
great.
have 3 people now on stage.
Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray.
Sorry. Okay guys,
Mas, Lorena Mas,
round of
Lorena.
applause.
Let's cheer for our bottom cheer for
Ano
them.
na
Cheer for
Dora
them.
terakhir?
So, hep hep.
Hooray! Hep hep! Hooray! Hep hep! Hooray! Hooray!
Ah. Sorry, so we have a winner, but it's okay.
Yay! Beri tepuk tangan untuk pemenang kita untuk siang hari ini.
You wanna watch her try? She's the winner already. Okay.
Thank
What is
you.
your name? Ami? You know that name? It's just that you're still. You know this one. Okay. Thank you for joining.
Selamat. Alright. Is that-
Thank you for participating, guys.
Alright, give them a round of big applause for the dancers and also the game. I have a conversation for a while. Everybody can actually have their mics on. Okay, so can you explain to us what are you guys are wearing today? Is this the traditional clothes or what?
Yes, this what we are wearing is as you can see there are different types.
Yeah.
We call this Filipiniana.
Ñana.
Filipiniana.
Okay.
The national costume of the Philippines. But there are different types of Filipiniana. What I'm wearing is the barot saya.
Okay.
Baro means the blouse.
Okay.
Saya is the skirt.
Oh, okay.
And
So this Filipiniana is used for more formal occasions. So it's made of pineapple fiber.
Oh, okay.
And I'm wearing a barong. A barong is the usual wearing of a traditional dress of man. So it is usually worn when you're president of the Philippines.
Okay? Okay guys, this is also a barong. This is a more formal one, wears by the president and other state dignitaries. And this is the more casual barong. Barong is made from abaca fiber, coconut fiber, or even banana fibers.
Ah, okay. So this one is from pineapple fiber. Oh, jadi baju yang dipakai untuk teman-teman yang bertiga ini ternyata dibuat dari serat buah-buahan. So very interesting fact. Now, how about the first dance? Could you share the story behind it? It looks like a ballroom dance. No, it's not.
That dance is called Cariñosa.
Uh-huh.
It symbolizes the courtship
Okay.
of a lady and a gentleman.
Oh, okay.
At the end, she...
Oh.
it's a love story.
It's a love story, actually. Alright, okay. Anything you want to comment about the event, the ASEAN Youth Expo?
Well, ASEAN Youth Expo, this is the first time I joined this event.
Uh-huh.
And I was surprised that there are many people who support the ASEAN group, also the other countries as well.
Okay.
And this is also my first time to visit Jakarta, Indonesia. It's very nice,
Okay.
accommodating people,
Yeah.
and very sweet people.
Very hospitable.
Yes.
Okay. Anything you want to add?
We're so thankful for this event because we met so many amazing Indonesians and people from other countries, and we enjoyed our 3 days here. Thank you very much.
Okay, so don't forget to come here again in Jakarta,
Yeah.
okay? And you mean off the stage. Alright, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, give
Thank
them
you, guys.